Did you see that guy? He was weird. Did you go to the beach? It was pretty fun. Did you see that thing over there? That was weird. Pronouns. What are they? How do we use them? But most importantly, subscribe, because there's way more videos to come, and not just about pronouns. How cool is that? Let's get started. So pronouns. These these things are very interesting, because as you can see, it is quite straightforward. So pronouns, they take the place of a noun. Like the title, they represent the noun, they represent things. So for example, rather than using Adrian, we could use he. He is talking to you. He is over there. We have other ones that represent different kinds of people or pronouns. She, so her. What is she doing? Well, what's she doing over there? Or you. What are you doing? Well, you are watching a video. I am teaching you. We. More than one person, that's here. We are going out. We're going to a party. We're going to a party. What more do you need to say? Them. Them over there. Them. It. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is this? What is it? What is it? It. What is it? This thing here, what is it? So rather than saying the noun again and again and again, we'll just say it, or we, or you, or them, or he. So Adrian is going to the party, Adrian is doing this, Adrian. No, he's doing this, he's doing that. And when you start talking about them also, you don't need to repeat yourself. You could just say he again, or it, or then. You don't need to constantly address the noun. You can mention it once at the start of the sentence. The noun at the start of the sentence to give it context. Then use a pronoun. So whenever you use that pronoun, we know instinctively you're referring to that noun there. As opposed to going, Adrian is doing this, then that, then Adrian's going to do here, Adrian's going to go there. No, it's Adrian's going to teach English, then he's going to record another video, then he's going to another video, and another one, and then he will be finished. And then go out for adventure, go out and socialise. He will then socialise. No, Adrian will record a video, Adrian will do this, Adrian will do that, then this, and then that, and Adrian, and then Adrian will this. No. Use the pronoun to represent things, represent the nouns. Because you don't need to repeat yourself in life, really, in English especially, just once or twice. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. Yeah. Let's keep going. So then, let's clarify, there's a subtle difference between pronouns. There's the definite and the indefinite, which essentially means defined, who you're talking about, what it is. So a definite, we know, for definite, we know what's happening, like we're definitely sure it was that person. So definite, I. When I say I, you know who I'm talking about, I know who I'm talking about, so it's quite definite, it's quite defined who we're referring to. Me. This pen belongs to me. Inverse to that, indefinite, we don't know who. It's unclear, it's undecided, it's not defined. So, does this pen belong to anyone? Anyone? To whom does it belong to? Anyone? Yeah, or is this someone's eraser? Is it someone's? Someone's? Yeah. This pen, this pen is mine. It belongs to myself. It belongs to myself. What do you have? What is yours? What is yours? There's the opposite of mine. This is mine, and that's yours. What's yours? What do you have? Yeah, what do you have? So she. Does it belong to her? This pen, is it hers? I don't know. The earring. Maybe that's hers. Yeah. Him. His. Maybe it's his. Maybe, I don't know. Him, he. Even he. Maybe he bought the pen and he lost it. It. Another one. Definite. It. We're referring to a thing. Maybe he lost it. Maybe she lost it. Even with adverbs there, maybe she lost it. But then here over here then, everyone. Has everyone got a pen? Yeah, you got a pen? You got a pen? Everyone? We don't really know who we're talking about. We're talking about loads of people, not one defined person. So it's indefinite. Has everyone got a pen? Yeah? Everyone got a book? Everyone got a page? Everyone got the answer? Everyone got the test? Yeah? Good. So someone. So it's like we're looking for someone. We're looking for who it belongs to. Has someone got my hat? Has someone got my book? Has someone got the answer? Has someone got a car? Has anyone, just anyone, got a car? Has someone got a car? Has someone got a pronoun? Yeah. What have you got? What have you got? Yeah. Comment below. Use I have got my pen. I have got my suspenders. I have got my whiteboard. What have you got? I have got my whatever. My hat, my gloves, my scarf. Yeah. How cool is that? And then we have got our car. That pen belongs to us. Us. That pen belongs to us. We have got our car. Different context. How cool is that? Yeah, let's keep learning. Let's keep learning. So, because English does not like to keep things simple, we have different pronouns for different tenses, for first person perspective, second or third. And then we have the singular and the plural. Remember again that plural is 2+. So 2+ of people or something and 1 of something. And the first person from your perspective, so I have a pen. The plural is we. We have a car. We. Me and my friends, we have a car. Second, singular and plural is just you. Do you have a car? Have you got a pen? Where are you going to go? What are you going to do? Well, we are going to a party. I am going to the library. Do you mind? Shh. You, what are you going to do? And the third person, like from other perspective, he. Singular, one he, one man. What's he doing? What is he doing? Don't know. He, she, it. She's going to the party. He's not going to the library. I am going to the library. He is not. No. I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library. See you there. It. What is it doing? The pen, it is going to fall. Well, it's going to fall. It's going to drop. What's the whiteboard doing? It's just standing there. It's doing nothing. So it's an inanimate object. What are you expecting? Yeah. They. So third person, plural, they. What are they doing? So there's we. What are we doing? We. What about they? Where are they going? Where are we going? They are going to the party. We're going to the library. They are losers. We're winners. Yeah, so it's worth understanding this. Different pronouns, the different persons, and both singular and plural. How cool is that? How cool is that? Will you subscribe to the video? I think it's a good idea if you did that. Let's keep going. Now, when we're talking about, or talking in the active or the passive voice, which is the sequence in the sentence, does the subject come first or the object come first in the sentence? Which has more emphasis? It changes how we word the pronoun. So, for example, when we talk more about the subject in the sentence, the person or thing acting in the sentence, it's I. I am reading the book. I am reading the book. Or if the object, you can even say that I am reading. The book is being read by me. The object is the emphasis. The book is being read by me. I am reading my book. Being read by me. I am reading. So subject then, we. We are going to the party. Us. The party. This is where English gets a bit weird, and it's like the party is going to be attended by us. The party is we us. Weird one. Or even you. Whoa, you stays the same. Quite impressively, you just does not go anywhere. If you can, keep it simple and use you all the time. Where are you going? What are you going to do? You. Put other people first. Put other people first. Talk about you, not me. Forget about me. It's you, that's what matters. Inadvertently. So he and him. He's going to the party. Him. I don't know, him. Him. I don't think. Him. The party is going to be attended by him. So it can be a bit weird. Her. The book is being read by her. The presentation is being given by her. This is her birthday. This is her lesson. Or she. She is going to talk. She is going to listen. It does not change at all. Whoa, look at that. No matter in the passive or the active voice, it. It. You got a thing, you got an object, it. It is not going to go anywhere. It. They. Now, this one's interesting. Where are they going? And them. This pen, does it belong to them? This is their party. Can we enter it? Or are they not going to let us? Yeah. Interesting. So if it's subject or object, the pronoun changes. It changes the sentence. It did a bit of parallelism. It just affects just how you word the entire sentence. I, me, us, we, you. You, nice. Him, her. This is his. This is hers. It. It's going to go nowhere. They, them. How cool is that? How cool is that? So let's take that object and subject and let's make it nicely complicated, because English is nicely complicated. Reflexive pronouns. So how the pronoun changes depending on plurals. So we either add self for one, for singular, or selves for plural. So me, this pen belongs to me, turns into myself. This pen belongs to myself. But who? Not many people will say stuff like that. Myself, that belongs to me. It's mine. Myself. Nonetheless, it's worth knowing. You. Again, you is nice and simple. Yourself. Yourself. Is your pen? Yourself. Go on your own. Go by yourself. Go by yourself. You. Yourselves. Selves. Plural. 2 plus. Plural. Remember, plural is 2 plus or something. Singular is 1. So, you guys should go to the party by yourselves. Why don't you drive yourselves to London? Why don't you drive yourself to London? Why don't you catch the train yourselves to London? Even her. So she. What's she up to now? He turns into herself. Herself. She's going out by herself. Is that a good idea? She can read by herself. She taught English to herself. Pretty cool. Him. So what is he doing now? He turns into himself. He's teaching English by himself. He's learning English by himself. Him. And us. So what are we doing? Us. Me and the guys over here. Us. We're going wherever. We are going to the party by ourselves. We're going to the library by ourselves. We are going to, let's have a look, play tennis by ourselves, just us. And that could be me and one other person, me and 2 other people, ourselves. We're going to play by ourselves. We're going to play by ourselves, right. So yeah, so understand this, reflexive pronouns, the reflect, they are like changing depending on the singular, whether it's singular or plural. So we'll understand that. Again, you is very straightforward, I must admit. You, yourself, yourselves. Wow, you can't really go wrong by using you most of the time. Or it. Itself. Itselves. Itself. It moved by itself. The items don't move by themselves. Them, themselves. They don't move. It doesn't move by itself. Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. It doesn't move by itself. How cool is that? Remember, that subscribe button is not going to click itself. You better press it yourself. Be a good idea, wouldn't it? Be a very good idea. So let's keep going with pronouns. Let's look at this possessive. Quite possessive, isn't it? A bit needy as well. Possessive. So the things you own or have. What do you have? So this, the hat, the pen is mine. It belongs to me. This is my pen. This is my pen. These are my suspenders. These are my braces. This is my beard. Did you realise that it's my beard? I should hope so. What's this? Well, guess what? It's mine. These are mine. These are my glasses. Her. What has she got? Oh gosh, what has she got? Okay, her. She's got nice shoes. Those shoes are hers. Let's leave it at that. Our. This is our party. This is our car. This is our house. Ooh, there's that song. Your. Here's your chance to press the subscribe button below. And the thumb for a thumbs up, a like, and the bell notification. Here's your chance. His shirt. Yeah. His shirt, his glasses. His over there, his hat. And even there. So that is their house. That's their life. That's their home. It shows possession. It shows who owns the thing. These braces, these suspenders, they are mine. They belong to me. My suspenders. My pen. My glasses. What do you own? What do you have? What do you own? Comment below. Very curious. Very curious. Very curious. So, that's pronouns for you. They take the place of things. They represent things. It. You're not going to go around saying the pen is mine. It is mine. It's easier and faster. This lesson is mine. This is my video. You're not going to say the video belongs to Adrian. The hat belongs to Adrian. No, the hat is his. Keeps things shorter and simple and without repeating yourself too much. But here is your chance to subscribe. There's more videos on the way, so I'll see you soon. But for those that stick around to the very end, a quick bonus lesson for you. This, that, these, those. So this, talking about something that's right here. This is mine. That, singular, so just one of something. This pen, just this thing here in front of me is mine. That pen over there, way over there, you can't see it off the screen. Ooh, that is mine. That thing over there is mine. But then these, so there's plural, yeah, plural, 2 plus. Things right here, these things are mine. All these things here, these are mine. These are mine. But then likewise, those over there, all those things over there, those are not mine. Those are, well, they're not mine. That's all that matters. They're somebody else's. So this thing here, one thing, that, or that, these, and those. How cool is that? That's the subscribe button. Press it. This has been another video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.